Good morning, fam. Today our adventure will start at Fairfield Markets. We decided last minute, let's just go on a little bit of a fun day out with just me and the kids. Find some goodies and let's see what we can find. Hopefully the girls can find something good. My main goal is to look for Back to the Future stuff, which is my main sort of focus. And Simpsons DVD. That's the sort of goal that I want to go for. And maybe some cars. We'll see what we find. But come along this adventure. Let's see what we can find. What sort of goodies. The girls are all packed up and ready. Hey, baby. Come on, get in the car seat now. Let's turn the beast on. Yeah. Hey, come back this way. We made it over to Fairfield Markets now. Come on this way. Where's it? I'm just gonna wait till these guys. Well, you sort of nearly had it. Oh my god. Oh, look at these things. Oh, look, puppies. As look, there's dogs, mate. That's actually way there. Those are actually really cute. That's what they made there, right there.
That's timing.
Really? That's fluff. Surely not. Oh, look at these things. Hey.
We'll bite you, but it's just
Hey, it's a puppy.
He wants to lick you.
Did he bite you, Daddy?
No, he's just licking me. He wants. Hello. Those dogs, man. I love dogs.
Alright, bring it home.
How much is it? Your sanitizer, babe? Your sanitizer? Can you hold the trolley for Mum?
Yeah.
Oh, it's only lightning. That's sick. Oh, man. That is sick. See? Antiques. Look at how big this place is. This is hectic. Oh. Box set. Just read this was complete. First season. Are you done? We'll go around once more and then we're done. Go that way. Yeah. It's more. Nah, we might go do something. Let's see. Should we go that way? Go that way. More interesting. Oh, the size of that's great.
Oh my god, it's so tall.
Come on, let's go.
Are you getting cards for me?
No, what do you want? Something roll?
No.
After the markets, we decided just to go to the grandma's house. We didn't do much after, but yeah, so they're playing around.